Hello my friends! Let's bake a delicious classic German Stollen together. You are ready? The classic German Stollen is an incredibly delicious rich muffin. The Germans call Stollen fruit bread. The dough of this pastry contains many fruit additives. You can use raisins, dried fruits, nuts, almonds. Stollen in Germany is usually prepared for Christmas, because it is a symbol of the baby, Christ. This cake is so tender, fluffy, soft, very flavorful. When cutting, it is lightly sprinkled with flour. There is a little flour on the Stollen after baking. It looks like a baby diaper. Stollen contains very little sugar, which is very useful for children. Instead of sugar, the recipe uses sweet dried fruits, grapes, dried apricots, dates, candied fruits. German housewives also use a variety of spices for Stollen. This can be cardamom, vanilla, cinnamon, citrus zest. But I'm sure there is enough butter, eggs, sugar and raisins for the taste. Stollen is garnished with nuts or almonds, and some bakers sprinkle it with honey syrup. Now let's make a classic German Stollen to learn how to work with the tricky brioche dough. Stollen is a classic brioche with added dry fruits. By the way, the Stollen dough can be used to bake other muffins and buns. It is very rich, very tasty, easy to prepare and does not get stale for a long time. I wrote the exact recipe in the description for this video. Delicious impressions. Enjoy your meal. Thumb up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.